Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So today we are going to start solving questions on pair of linear equations in two variables. We have discussed the various concepts related to it. Now we'll solve numericals. So we'll start with the algebraic method, and the first algebraic method, which is the substitution method of solving linear equations in two variables. So we'll start with simple questions and then we'll go to a bit complicated ones. Okay, so here it is given to solve these two given equations, linear equations in two variables x and y by substitution method. So the first equation is x plus y is equal to 14. The second equation is x minus y is equal to 4. So first we'll write the equations as it is. X plus y is equal to 14. Let's say it is equation number 1, and x minus y is equal to 4, and we'll name it equation number 2. Now you can go with any equation, you can pick any equation. Let's say you pick this equation. So from here we will express one variable in terms of the other variable. For example, let's say from here, from equation 2 we have, okay, here I am writing, from equation 2 we have x. If we take this minus y to the RHS side, it becomes x is equal to y plus 4. Okay, this is, we have represented x in terms of y from equation 2. So we will name it equation number 3, which we have got from equation 2, expressing x in terms of y. Okay, now we will use this relationship in equation 1. In place of x, we'll use this relationship, y plus 4. So we'll convert the entire equation in one variable, in terms of one variable. Then it will be easier to solve. So what we'll do, so here we have x plus y is equal to 14. Yes, that is equation number 1. Here in place of x, we'll use this y plus 4. So then this equation will become y plus 4 plus y is equal to 14. Okay, that implies 2y plus 4 is equal to 14. Okay, that implies 2y is equal to 14 minus 4, which is equal to 10. That implies y is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. So we have got y is equal to 5. So we'll name it, let's say 1, 2, 3. So this is 4. Now we can put this value in any of these relationships to get the value of x. Suppose we put 4 in 1. So that implies here, if we put y equals to 5 in equation 1, that implies x plus 5 is equal to 14. That implies x is equal to 14 minus 5, which is equal to 9. Okay, so we have got x is equal to 9. Now suppose we put this in equation 2, that implies x minus 5 is equal to 4. That implies x is equal to 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9. So either way you will get the same result. Okay, you will get the same result. Now suppose in place of doing x is equal to y plus 4 here, from equation 2 you used equation 1. So let's say you used equation 1, that is from equation 1 we use the relationship x is equal to 14 minus y. We use this relationship. Okay, so let's call it how much? Okay, this is x is equal to 9 is 5, so let's call it 6, equation number 6, relationship number 6. So x is equal to 14 minus y from equation 1. Now we substitute this in equation 2. That implies 14 minus y is equal to 4. That implies 14 minus 2y is equal to 4. That implies if we take minus 2y to the other side and 4 to this side, 4 to the LHS minus 2y to the RHS, so that implies 14 minus 4 is equal to 2y, or that implies 2y is equal to 10. That implies y is equal to 5. So here also we have got y equals to 5. Again you can substitute y equals to 5 in any of these and you will get x is equal to 9. So either way you go, anyway whatever substitution you make you will get the same result. Similarly you can also substitute y like this. You could have done from equation 1, use a different ink. Okay, you could have done y is equal to 14 minus x from equation 1. You could have done y is equal to 14 minus x, then you could have used it in equation 2. That implies x minus 14 minus x is equal to 4. That implies 2x minus 14 is equal to 4. That implies 2x is equal to 18. That implies x is equal to 9. Okay, so here this way also you could have got the same result. You have got x is equal to 9, you could have substituted this in any of these equations and you would have got y is equal to 5. Okay, so this is the basic concept of solving pair of linear equations in two variables using substitution method. We have substituted, we have expressed first one variable in terms of the other, then we have substituted that relationship in any of the given equations to get the value of the second variable, and then we use that value to get the value of the other variable. So this is the basic relationship. Okay, so here is another question on solving linear equations in two variables using substitution method. So the two equations are given, 2x plus y is equal to 7 and then 4x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then first we'll write these equations. First 2x plus y is equal to 7, equation 1, and this will write 4x minus 3y is equal to, we'll take this plus 1 to the other side toward the RHS, so it will become minus 1. So this is equation number 2. Now the second step, expressing one variable in terms of the other. So let's say we pick equation number 1. So from equation 1 we have y is equal to 7 minus 2x. We'll name it equation number 3. Y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Now we will substitute 3 in place of y in equation 2. So putting equation 3 in equation 2, we have 4x minus 3 into 7 minus 2x. What we have done, we have expressed y in terms of x, then we substituted that value in the other equation. Here in place of y, we have put 7 minus 2x, which we got from equation 1. So 3 into 7 minus 2x is equal to minus 1. So that implies 4x minus 3 into 7 is 21, 3 into minus 2x, that is minus 6x, is equal to minus 1. That implies 4x minus 21 plus 6x is equal to minus 1. That implies 4x plus 6x, that is 10x minus 21 is equal to minus 1. That implies 10x is equal to 21 minus 1, taking this minus 21 to the RHS side. Plus 10x is equal to 20, plus x is equal to 20 by 10, that is equal to 2. So we have got x is equal to 2. Okay. Now we can put this x is equal to 2 in any of these two equations, that is 2x plus y is equal to 7 and 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 1, any of these two to get the value of y. So we have got x is equal to 2. So putting here in equation 1, we have got 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 7, implies 4 plus y is equal to 7, implies y is equal to 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3. So we have got y is equal to 3. Okay. So the solution of these two equations in two variables, linear equations in two variables, are x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Okay, this is the solution. So always remember simple steps: pick one equation, express one variable in terms of the other, put that value, that equation in the other equation, get the value of the variable, one of the variables, and then using that you can calculate the value of the other variable. Simply as that. Okay. So this is the another question on linear equations in two variables using substitution.